We are at the Christmas Story house. Let's see how much this roof would have cost. Andrew, any guesses?
I want to say 18.5.
I'm going 13.2.
1103 Raleigh Ave, Cleveland, Ohio.
That's it. We'll know the answer soon enough. I think the loser has to buy the first round of drinks and a bunny suit.
Now while we wait for the quote, we're going to check out the Christmas Story house. There's the soap.
It's 3 tab. Not gonna hold up too much longer in Cleveland.
Alright, so I'm going to get this one, you get that one?
That'll work.
Gunner, this is Andrew.
Should we see who won?
Let's check it out.
Let's view the quote.
Ooh.
13,521. Wow. And that is the Christmas Story house.
That's pretty cool.
As the loser, it's time for Andrew to put on the bunny suit and meet me at the bar.
Let's go to the bar.
Drinks on him.
That's what happens when you lose a bet.
13.5 on the money.
No, it is what it is.
Well, that's not me.